Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to make money online with Rev. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Rev provides a free online editor that makes it easy to listen to the file and type at the same time. Rev has the largest network of professional transcriptionists and captioners in the US. It maintains 99% accuracy standards. Rev transcriptionists and captioners are required to meet rigorous quality standards before working on customer files. It's that combination of AI and people that makes Rev's speech-to-text offerings both exceptionally distinct and absolutely unbeatable in terms of quality and scale. When businesses and individuals need the most reliable captions, subtitles, or transcripts at lightning speed, they count on Rev. They help people understand the human voice. Audio transcripts, closed captions, and subtitles help your content reach a wider audience and expand into non-English speaking markets. As a freelancer, you can earn up to $1.50 per minute for audio and video transcription. For English closed captions, you can earn up to $1.50 per minute. And for global translated subtitle, you can earn up to $5 to $12 per minute. For you to get started as a freelancer, kindly click the Get Started tab. Now for Rev, there are different pricing styles for human transcription, automated transcription, and English closed captions. For human transcription, it's worth $1.50 per minute, wherein they convert your audio or video into text by a professional. So 99% accuracy, 5-hour average turnaround, completed by professional transcriptionists, discover actionable and shareable moments, and annotate and share with Rev's interactive editor. For automated transcription, it's worth 0.25 cents per minute. So it's an AI-generated transcripts, 90% plus accuracy, 5-minute turnaround time, machine-generated transcripts powered by world's most accurate speech recognition engine. Make your content actionable within minutes, annotate and share with Rev's interactive editor. For English closed captions, it's worth $1.50 per minute. So it's an English on-screen subtitles for videos. 99% accuracy, 5-hour average turnaround, FCC and ADA compliant, completed by professional captioners, and increased accessibility and engagement. So what's the difference between human transcription and automated transcription? For automated transcription, it's worth 0.25 cents per audio minute, machine-generated, delivered in minutes, no accuracy guarantee, output greatly dependent on audio quality, and there are different caption formats. However, for transcription, it's worth $1.50 per audio minute, completed by a human transcriptionist. It's 12-hour turnaround for files, or 30 minutes, 99% accuracy guaranteed, and there are also different formats. So that's the difference between automated and human transcription. Where does Rev accept freelancers from? So here is a list of countries that Rev accept applicants. So from Australia, Canada, Ireland, Mexico, Netherlands, New Zealand, South Africa, United Kingdom, and the United States. But due to regulation changes, this excludes the state of California. As a transcriptionist, you are going to listen to audio and video, accurately type what is being said, label speakers, and your pay can range up to 30 cents to $1.10 per audio or video minute. As a captioner, you are going to watch a video, accurately type what is being said, creatively convey sounds, sync type audio with video, and your pay can range up to 54 cents to $1.10 per audio or video minute. So here are the 3 easy steps on how you can work from home. So you are going to sign up and get approved to transcribe. Take a quiz and submit a transcript to demonstrate your mastery of the English language and Rev styling rules. If you're approved, you can start working right away. The second step is you are going to choose from available transcription jobs. You'll find hundreds of transcription jobs to choose from. Select jobs you're interested in and work as little or as much as you prefer. And the third one, get paid weekly via PayPal. As a transcriptionist, you'll get paid every Monday for all audio files transcribed and completed the prior week. Now, as a captioner, here are the 3 easy steps that you can apply. So sign up and get approved to caption. Take a grammar quiz and submit a captioning sample to demonstrate your English language and grammar skills. If you're approved, you can start working right away. The second step is choose from available captioning jobs. You'll find hundreds of caption jobs to choose from. Select jobs you're interested in and work as little or as much as you prefer. And the third one, get paid weekly via PayPal. As a captioner, you'll get paid every Monday for all audio files captioned and completed the prior week. Now, we are going to create an account in Rev. If you already have an account, then just sign in. If not, you need to sign up. So click Create Account. So just fill out this form, your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, and if you have a company, fill it out. And then click the box to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy of Rev. And then click Create Account. So this is your Rev dashboard, and as you can see, your transaction history. So everything will be reflected here once you will be approved as a freelancer. As of now, according to Rev's website, they are not currently accepting applications from my location. However, if you live in one of those countries that I've mentioned before that they are accepting freelancers from, maybe you'll get a chance to be a freelancer. And that's it for this video. I hope you learned how to make money in Rev. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!